Hello guys, today we will study the topic transitive and the non-transitive dependency, which is the part of types of dependency. We have already done the fully functional dependency, partial dependency, then the trivial and the non-trivial. Now talk about this dependency. So first of all, I request you, if you have not watched that video, so please watch it first because it will help you a lot in this topic. So transitive dependency, it is due to the dependency between non-prime key attribute. It says if there is any functional dependency between non-prime key attributes, then we can say it may be transitive dependency exists between them. Let's see how. Suppose we have a relation R and in this X, Y is functionally dependent on X, where X is a prime key and Y is a non-prime key attribute. Okay guys? And we have given another functional dependency, Z is functionally dependent on Y, where Y and Z both are non-prime key attribute, remember. So if we have given this relation or this functional dependency, then we can say that Z dependent upon the X. Okay guys, so then Z is said to be the transitively dependent upon X. So guys, there are two main things is that one prime key and one is non-prime key. There should be a functional dependency, and after that from this non-prime key attribute and another non-prime key attribute there should be a functional dependency. Then we can say there is a X to Z dependency, that is a transitive dependency. And in the non-transitive dependency, any functional dependency which is not a transitive dependency is non-transitive dependency. Okay guys, so there is an example. We will study with the example. It will be quite easy for you. Let's see. There is a table. Just take an example. There is a table for a student. Okay. So in that block we write all the prime key attribute. So here roll number is a prime key attribute. Okay. We represented it with the X here. Okay. After that we have a name attribute, semester attribute and the hostel attribute. We represented name with the A, semester with the Y and the hostel with the Z. Okay guys, and from this relation we find this relation. See that first of all, let I remove this one, then it will be quite easy for you. We have given this relation, we are matching this relation from this. Okay, see X, Y, okay? Y is functionally dependent on X, that means semester is functionally dependent on roll number. If I give the roll number, can I find the semester? Yes, I can find the semester of that student if I have a roll number. So this is the functional dependency. But there is another functional dependency Y to Z that says that if I have given a semester, I tell some semester, then can I find the in which hostel that student lives? Yes, I can tell, because there will be a table or something which says that this semester student will live in that hostel, or this semester student will live in that hostel. On what basis? On this functional dependency basis. Okay. So after we find that these are the two non-prime key attribute and this is one prime key attribute and this is non-prime key attribute, and this relation exists between them. So then we can say that see, from roll number we find the value of semester. Okay, prime key, non-prime key attribute, we have a relation. But we also says that semester to hostel. From semester I can find the value of hostel also. Yes, we can find the value of hostel also. Then there is a relation, that is a functional dependency. So from this to this, non-prime key attribute, this is also non-prime key attribute. So from this to this we have find that we can find the functional dependency between roll number and the hostel. So it says that we can also find the hostel by the roll number. Okay guys, so this is all about the transitive dependency and non-transitive dependency. So this is transitive dependency, transitive functional dependency. And from let's see, roll number to name, this is non-transitive dependency. From roll number to semester, this is non-transitive functional dependency. Okay guys, So you have to remember that only the transitive dependency exists when we have one prime key and one non-prime key, and there is a functional dependency. And from that non-prime key to another non-prime key, if functional dependency exists, then we can say there is a relation, or we can have a functional dependency which is known as a transitively dependent. Okay, so guys, this is all about the transitive and non-transitive dependency. In the next session, we will do the second normal form, which uses the concept of fully functional dependency. So please revise that concept. Then we will do the second normal form with 2 NF. Okay guys, and if my videos are helping you, so please subscribe this channel, share this video, and please do follow the playlist of these videos, and link is under the description. Thank you.